Hello children, today again we are going to draw topic of brinjal but with the color. There is a two type of effect I will show you. What is effect of the pencil color and what is effect of our crayons color. So today we are going to learn two things with this brinjal drawing by doing the shading of pencil color and with the crayons. Okay, I'm going to complete my two drawings and I will show you how to fill inside the colors of with the two colors of the different colors of the effects like a pencil colors and crayons, and then after you have to try with the watercolor and poster colors. Again the watercolor and poster colors without adding water, when you will do these colors, how it will be effect, it will be different way, and how natural it will be look, you have to do it that one. Okay, I'm going to start. I'm first going to divide in two parts and I will start my brinjal. You can see. Okay, first I'm going to give the place. Okay, this is like an umbrella drawing. Okay, and the two dots I'm giving, which is I want to turn in a leaf shape, and drawing should be a very light pencil color. Okay, I'm going to finish my drawing. Almost you have learned how to do the outline of a brinjal. Okay, see the two drawing has completed. Now you can see here I'm going to do here pencil work, color pencil work, and here I'm going to do the crayons work. So I will you have to write the name also. So which colors we are going to use? This is the violet color of pencil color and this is the green color of pencil color. Second, we need in this pencil also little bit to use some place. Okay, not every place. And again this is the black pencil color. Okay, done. This is for this. And the two crayons, we need only two crayons, no need anything in this. We need two this crayon. This is the violet color and this is the green color. Done. Now let's start the coloring work. First we will finish the green color. First we are going to take a green color. Okay, and see how the pencil color I'm going to do. So first I told you in the class, when you are doing the pencil color of filling, so what you have to do, first corner borders we have to finish, and the hand movement you can see I'm doing one side, not too rough here like this. When you are filling, no, this lining is appearing very badly, it's not good. So when we are doing, see, light hands we have to fill the color. I'm going to finish and I will show you how I'm going to finish this colors. Can you see? This much is enough to explain. So see, it's a filling of green color is finished, the same as well as I'm going to fill the violet, and then after I will show you how to do this complete shading work after on that, how to make a more dark and shading, because when we'll see the brinjals as a natural way, it's a light shade also is there. Light shading means my means when we are keeping anything, there is a flashlight will be there on the things and their place how we have to keep the empty. So can you see, now I have completed my violet color also. Now we are going to start as a dark shade of this, how to make a dark shading work with the color pencil. I am making first outline with the color pencils, how much possible I will make it dark, this one. Okay, you can see in video it will be look nice. And now this parts, can you see it is lighter, I have left it. I told you about the flashlights. Okay, now I'm going to make a darker of more of this corner places. When we'll see the this shading work, no, the corner place is more dark. Why? You know, because of shade. This cap shade is there. This is the brinjal cap. No, in Hindi they will say the brinjal is a king of a vegetable. So this is a crown for them. Vegetable crowns. God gifted they have. You have seen how I'm giving the shading. The same manner you also have to give the shading. more darker. It's a change of the color now. It's change. Now brinjal, how many type of the brinjal you have saw? Like one round we are seeing, this is only the same of the size, bigger and smaller. Now when the long one also is there, color of the green, there is a two type of that, violet, light violet color, dark violet color, and green, long one also in the green and violet color. Okay, now it's a done of the shading. Now this is the done of darker. Now here little bit I am making a dark. I told you in the starting I will use the pencil also. This is the downer part, we have every time missing this one. Yeah, we are not doing here anything. So this is the with the pencil only we have to do. It is a brown color, so I am using only the pencil, our normal pencil. You have seen the starting I have used this pencil only, the same. And again now from down to up I am giving the shading of this brinjal, color shading. This is called color shading. Okay, again the same I told in the first video, the hand control will be very important. The colors when we are doing the fast part, it should not move outside and it should be on that place up to what we have to do the color. This I have explained to in the first video. Did you have seen the full completely in the fast way I have completed the shading work and the fast, but my hand is not going out of the border where I have to do up to that only my shading is going on. Okay, now this is the finish our violet colors. Now I am making a dark of first with the green outline. We am going to do the topper parts. Now topper parts of the very easily we will do it. Now the down onwards we have to give the shading of a dark. Can you see this one? Oh, easily you can find out in the videos. Now the downer part, corner parts is very important when we are doing the shading part, shading work. In the shading there is a corner parts. Why it is I told you before also, it is just shade, there is a shade is there, that's why shading work. Now in the manners of the movements, by drawing we can show the turn of the picture. Okay, now the brinjal is a circle, so I am making little bit turn this one, so not straight line, it will be a turn. So this brinjal will look from here to here, it is a turn. Okay, that my brinjal is a turn, from here it is a circle shape, it will be look out the shape also. Now upper parts, when this will be a break, it will be more darker. Again here we need the pencil. Okay, I told here again we need the pencil. It's inside parts, actually it is a white color, but I am using this color only, not white. It's done. Okay, now I'm going to start our crayons work. Its crayons work is very easy. Okay, you have saw the first video, I have told you we have to finish in the same side of the shadows and we have to finish. Now I'm going to do with this violet color. Okay, so again we have to fill, how the small kids will be fill the colors, the same way we have to fill the colors. One side shading only, again we have to hand movement. I will complete this green and this violet, then after I will start again video. See, I have completed the crayons work. I have used this crayons. It's very lighter in the colors. When I fill it will be a, so you have a oil pastel colors of violet color. You can use that also for the shading. How to do the shading? Again the corners first we have to fill it with the light hand. First you have to finish. See, in this I am trying to do, but it is not working much. So what you have to do, one side only just rough it will be dark little bit. Okay, smooth and dark, not complete brinjals. Okay, so which is the whiter part, it should be a cover, that much only. Okay, and I have seen in the class you will use the iron scale to remove this one. It's good you are removing, it's not bad, because of this is spoiling the other page. So you have to remove, how you are removing, and make it clean this one. Okay, if you want I will send the picture, clicking picture also, and by how to complete this one also I have showed you. Now I will show you why I have shown to you crayons with the, when you are the small also you have saw your this drawing with the crayons, and very simple method I have taken to understand, try to understand what is the difference when we are learning in the small age of the using crayons, why it is very easy to fill the color. When we are coming to color pencils, little bit hard, slowly work will be do, but it's good. Watercolors, when you are coming, it's spreading, so how to control of our spreading colors, that also is learning is there. The same manners it will be used in the poster colors. That's my class when the changing colors also is going to change. This is my finished the crayons. Now you can see the both picture, how what is the different in this. Okay, the both picture, can you see color difference as well as finishing difference is there. Yeah, by complete and send on my number, my personal number. Bye.